In this video, I'm going to show you how to use SurveyMonkey on Teams in two simple ways. First, I'll show you the fastest method, which is just sharing your survey link directly inside Microsoft Teams. Then, I'll show you the more advanced method using the Microsoft Teams integration inside SurveyMonkey. If you want an easy way to collect responses from coworkers, clients, or your team without jumping between a bunch of tools, this is going to be super useful. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. It really helps support the channel, and it lets you know when new guides go live. Let's start with the quick and easy method. Open your browser and go to SurveyMonkey. Sign in if needed, then open the survey you want to use. Once your survey is open, look for the Publish Survey option. This is where SurveyMonkey gives you the options to share your survey with other people. Click Publish Survey and then click Copy URL to copy your survey link. Now that you have the link, open Microsoft Teams. You can paste the survey link into a chat, a channel post, or even a meeting conversation, depending on where you want people to see it. Just click inside the message box, paste the link, and send it. That's it. Anyone with access to that chat or a channel can click the link and fill out the survey. This is the fastest method if you just want to get responses quickly without setting up any extra integration. If you want something a little more advanced, you can connect SurveyMonkey directly with Microsoft Teams. To do that, go back to SurveyMonkey and click your profile in the top right corner. From the menu, select Apps and Integrations. This section lets you connect SurveyMonkey with other tools you use for work and collaboration. Inside Apps and Integrations, search for Microsoft Teams. When you see it, click on it and then click Install. SurveyMonkey will ask you to sign in and connect your account. Follow the prompts carefully and approve the connection so the integration can be added. Once connected, you'll be able to use SurveyMonkey more smoothly with Teams, which is helpful if you regularly share surveys with your team. So to recap, if you just need a quick solution, copy the survey link from SurveyMonkey and paste it into Teams. If you want a deeper integration, install Microsoft Teams from the SurveyMonkey app section and connect your account. Either way, you can make it easier for your team to access surveys and respond from the platform they already use every day. If this video helped you, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step software tutorials. And if you want, check out the next video for more simple ways to save time with the tools you already use. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.